So today is a beautiful day. The sky has just opened up. Get the sun finally getting released from the clouds here. We're running our 1200 watts to our EcoFlow Delta Pro. And we plugged in this morning about 8:30 at 50%. I'll show you where we're at right now. So we're getting in 931 watts out of 1200, and we're already up to 92%. Over here on the shed we got 500 watts and a little 100-watt panel there, and we got our 300 amp hours of gel here sitting at 82%, and we've made 62 amp hours so far this morning.